Hi everyone, and welcome back to FinX Pros. If you've been with us, you already know how to use the powerful sum function in Microsoft Excel. Today we're continuing our Excel journey by exploring another essential tool, the average function. This function is your key to quickly and accurately calculating averages in your Excel spreadsheets. So let's dive in. As you can see, we're working with the same dataset we used in our previous video, representing the monthly earnings of 5 sales representatives over a year. Just like last time, our data spans from column A to column F and from row 2 to row 13. Each column after A represents a different sales rep, and each row after the first represents a different month. Let's begin by finding the average monthly earnings for Sales Representative 1 or Sales Rep 1. Here's how we do it. Take a look at our Excel table. You'll see Sales Representative 1 listed in column B, and the monthly sales amounts are displayed from row 2 to row 13. To find the average, we'll need to use the average function. Keep watching as we apply this function to calculate the average earnings for Sales Rep 1. Click on cell B14. Type equals average B2 colon B13 and press enter. Alternatively, you can simply select the range with your cursor and then press enter to get the average. Here is a nice tip. Once you type equals sign and start to type A and follow with V, Excel lists all the functions that start with the letters A and V. You can type average, but you can also select average from the list with your cursor clicking left button of your mouse and press the tab key on your keyboard. Excel will automatically place the function in the cell. Continue with the range selection B2 colon B13. You'll now see the result. The average of the values in cells B2 through B13 is displayed in cell B14. Now you might be wondering how to find the average monthly earnings for the other sales representatives listed in column C, D, E, and F. Here's a handy tip. You can use the same average formula for them as well. And the best part? You don't have to type it out every time. Just follow these steps to quickly calculate averages for the other sales reps. But how does this magic of dragging formulas actually work? Well, remember how we did this for the sum function in a previous video? Let's go over the process again. Click on cell B14 where you've already entered the average formula. Move your cursor over to the small square in the lower right corner of the cell. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag it horizontally across the cells from C14 to F14. Excel will automatically adjust the formula for each sales rep. It's that easy. When you drag a formula from one cell to another, Excel uses what's called relative cell references by default. This means that the formula adjusts automatically based on its new position. For example, if your original formula was calculating something based on column B, when you drag it over to C, the formula will automatically start calculating based on column C, and so on for each new cell. Start by clicking on cell B14, where you've entered your average formula. Excel intelligently duplicates your formula into each new cell, adapting any relative references as required. This streamlines the process of calculating averages for different sales representatives. Now let's find out how much all sales reps earn collectively each month, including a monthly sales average field we've added in column G. Here's how you can calculate it using the average function. Click on cell G2. Type equals average B2 colon F2. Or select the range with your cursor, and then press enter to get the average. As you can see, cell G2 now shows us the average monthly earnings for January across all sales representatives. Once again, you can use Excel's drag feature to quickly replicate this formula for each month. Click and drag the formula from cell G2 down to G13. Now we have an average monthly total for each month, giving us a clear picture of how the team performed each month as a whole. Alright, we've taken another step in mastering Excel. We've learned how to calculate averages using the average function. Now you have the tools to work with both sums and averages, making your data analysis tasks a piece of cake. That's all for today, everyone. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or specific topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. And if you'd like to stay updated with more fantastic tutorials like this one, please show your support by clicking the like button and ensuring you hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.